Police and Islamic movement of Nigeria offer conflicting accounts of Abuja clash. Man moved by train in Mushin, Lagos. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Intensive tutorial for students preparing for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing, and JUPEP entrance exam is currently in progress at Akai Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested for enrollment and accommodation reservation, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 080 38 644 328. Thank you. An unidentified adult was tragically killed by a moving train in the Mushin area of Lagos State on Monday evening. The incident occurred around 6 p.m. while the deceased was walking along the Copa railway tracks. According to the statement by the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, signed by spokesman Nosa Okumbo, the man was found killed at the scene, having sustained severe injuries from the collision. The man was confirmed to have killed instantly due to the impact of the crash, Okumbo stated. This incident underscores the critical importance of avoiding railway tracks as walkways to prevent such unfortunate accidents. For details on this sad update, you can visit latestgist.org or akahinews.org. On Monday, the Nigerian Police Force and the Islamic Movement of Nigeria, IMN, presented different narratives regarding the violent clash that occurred in Abuja on Sunday, resulting in the killing of policemen and members of the lled group. According to a statement from first spokesman Muyiwa Adejobi, the police arrested 97 lled following the violence, during which 2 police officers lost their lives and 3 others were critically injured. The police alleged that the lled group was responsible for the toughing encountered and the destructions of police vehicles. However, Professor Isa Hussain, leader of the Islamic Movement of Nigeria, refuted the police claims. He distanced his group from the violence, stating that the police were unfairly attempting to blame the toughing of their officers on the IMN to tarnish their reputation. For details on this update and many other interesting headlines, you can visit latestgist.org or akahinews.org. Thank you for joining me in this segment of our news update. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update. Thank you.